silence signal starts the sweet refrain of all the things we could be today. If I could find the words to say my heart's refrain. My pulse is racing with the rising sun. The day's begun and we have won. The hardest part was through the night alone. Now I'm calling just to hear your tone. You answer with a sleep soft sound, the sweetest melody I found. We don't need words, just time to shine, to make this rhythm rhyme alive. The world outside is painted gold, a story waiting to unfold between us in the morning light. Everything feels pure and bright. I'm stepping out into the day with so much love I can't convey, through actions and through silent looks, and through the pages of our books. The coffee tastes like dreams so free. The air is life for you and me. No pretense, just who we are. No need to hide or raise the bar. The world outside is painted gold, a story waiting for the unfold between us in the morning light. Everything feels pure and bright. The sunlight dances in your eyes, a sweet surprise that makes